You are at a cafe. Someone next to you says, "Hi, how are you today?" Simple words, just 4 words. But many beginner learners, they don't know what to say next. Do you say, "I am fine"? Do you ask a question back? Do you talk about the weather? Today, we show you exactly what to say. Not hard words, not complicated grammar. Just simple, real, everyday English. Let's go. Welcome to ESL Voice. Today is special. We are talking about everyday English conversation. Real examples that you can use starting today. My guest is Rumi, a learner just like you, who started from A1 level and now speaks comfortably in everyday situations. Rumi, welcome.
Thank you, Alex. I am so happy to be here. When I was A1, I was very scared to talk. But now I talk every day. And that's exactly why you're here. Let's learn from your experience.
Simple greetings. Real examples. Rumi, let's start very simple. How do beginners say hello and start a conversation?
Very easy. You say, "Hi, how are you?" The other person says, "I'm fine, thank you. And you?" Then you say, "I'm good, thanks."
That's one complete conversation.
Yes, and then you can add more. My name is Rumi. What is your name? Simple words, but it works.
What about other greeting words?
You can say, "Hello, good morning, good afternoon. How's it going?" All the same meaning, different words.
So you have choices. Talking about your day. Real talk. Rumi, someone asks you, "What did you do today?" What do you say?
I say simple things. I woke up at 7. I had breakfast. I went to work. I came home. I studied English. Simple past tense.
And is that enough?
Yes, but you can add one feeling. I had a good day. It was busy. I was tired.
So add one word about how you felt.
One word. That's enough.
Real cafe conversation. Rumi, give us a real example. A complete conversation at a cafe.
Person A. "Hi, how are you?" Person B. "I'm good, thanks. And you?" Person A. "Good. What are you doing today?" Person B. "I'm studying English. I love learning." Person A. "That's great. What is your name?" Person B. "My name is Rumi. What is your name?" Person A. "I'm Alex. Nice to meet you." Person B. "Nice to meet you too."
That's a complete conversation, and every sentence is simple.
Yes, you don't need hard words. You just need to speak.
Asking simple questions. Rumi, what are the easiest questions to ask someone?
Good questions. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Do you like coffee? Where do you live? Very simple. Everyone can answer.
And when someone asks you these questions, how do you answer?
Simple answers. My name is Rumi. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student. Yes, I like coffee. I live in Dhaka. Short answers. That's good.
No need for long sentences.
No need. Short is better for beginners.
Useful everyday phrases. What are the most useful phrases a beginner must know?
These 10 phrases change everything. Hello. How are you? My name is. What is your name?
Nice to meet you. I don't understand. Can you help me? Thank you. You're welcome. Goodbye.
Just 10 phrases?
Just 10. With these 10, you can have many conversations.
Beginners, write these 10 down. Practice them today.
Yes, say them out loud. Many times. Your mouth needs practice, not just your brain.
Rumi's own beginner story. Rumi, tell us your story. How were you at A1? And how are you now?
At A1, I could say maybe 5 words. Hello, my name is Rumi. That's all. I was very nervous, very afraid. But my teacher said, just speak. Don't be perfect. So I spoke every day, even badly.
And gradually it got better?
Yes. After 1 month, I could say 20 words. After 3 months, I could have simple conversations. Now I speak English with friends every day.
How long did it take to reach this level?
6 months of practice, every single day. Small practice, but every day.
That's the secret right there. Small practice every day. Tips for beginners. Rumi, what is your advice for someone starting English today?
3 things. 1, start speaking immediately. Don't wait until you're ready. Start now. 2, use simple words only. Don't learn hard words. Learn common words. 3, speak every single day. Even 5 minutes. Just speak.
And don't worry about mistakes?
No, mistakes are good. Mistakes are how you learn. I made many mistakes. My friends laughed, but I kept speaking. And now I speak well.
Beginners, listen to Rumi. She has done what you want to do, and she says mistakes are okay. Speaking matters more than perfection. Final message. Rumi, final question. Someone watching this is A1 level right now. They are very scared. What do you say to them?
I say, you are brave. Because starting is the hardest part. I was scared too. Very scared. But I started. And every day got easier. Now I laugh at how scared I was. You will too. Just speak. Every day. Even if you say only 1 sentence per day. After 1 year, you will be surprised how much you learned. Be brave. Speak. You can do it.
Rumi, your honesty just helped someone watching right now. Thank you. Rumi, thank you for being here, for showing beginners that it's possible to grow from scared and silent to speaking every day.
Thank you, Alex. Keep speaking, everyone.
Now, if this helped you, so like the video right now. Subscribe to ESL Voice for more beginner English content. And in the comments, write just 1 sentence in English. Just 1. My name is, and I am learning English. That's your practice today. Be brave. Speak. Keep growing. This is ESL Voice. We believe in you. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.